Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Jobs with Shubham. Today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for a backend engineer, backend developer or a software developer or SQL developer as an internship, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of Tia.ai and it's a hiring for backend developer Python or database, and they are hiring for Mumbai location. So let's talking about this job description. So we are seeking an ambitious and enthusiastic intern who is passionate about generative AI and AI driven application. This role is perfect for someone who is eager to learn and apply emerging technology real world scenario. So let's talking about this required skill is that generative AI, LLMS, basics understanding of generative AI model, example transformer, GTP, and keep interest in learning more about them. Python programming, familiarity with the Python libraries, relevant AI ML such PyTorch and TensorFlow, API development, basics knowledge of developing and consuming a RESTful API using Python framework like Fast API and Flask, and all this you have to know. And preferred skill is that exposure to pre-trained LMS such as GTP3, GTP4, and BERT and similar models, experience with fine tuning model, specialized datasets, applying transfer learning technique, and all these things you have to know. And hands-on experience of cutting edge generative AI technology including and all these things you have to know. And required skill is that HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular or Python. Role is that assist in the research development and fine-tuning generative AI model, particularly large language models, LLMs such as GTP, BERT or similar. And all these things we have to know. And they are hiring from Mumbai location, and those who have done BTech, BSc IT or MSc IT can apply. And all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now, and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job is coming from Tower Research Capital, and it's hiring for software engineer one for Gurgaon location. So let's talking about the responsibilities. So developing the firm's post-trade platform tools including reference data management, trade capture, recognition, P&L, trade cost management, compliance and regulatory function. Work with the appropriate stakeholder to determine user requirement for a set of feature. Work in collaboration with team across the organization. Develop reliable, scalable and high performance software designers. Responsible for technology innovative build out of the new generation and middle. So those who have done a bachelor's degree or equivalent computer science or college or university can apply. Those who have a 0 to 3 year of relevant experience can apply. Good problem solving skill, knowledge of Python, Java, Shell script and Linux, knowledge of SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job. So once you scroll down, so this page will open, so you have to just fill all this form. After that you have to submit the application. So this is the very simple process. You can go and check about this. So over to the next job is coming from Gigafactor Solution, and it's a hiring for SQL developer fresher for intern for Bangalore location. So let's talking about these roles and responsibilities. So design, develop and maintain complex SQL queries and stored procedure. Optimize and improve existing SQL queries and performance and scalability. Work closely with the cross-functional team and understand database requirement and implement efficient database solution. Monitoring and ensure the integrity and security of database including backup and recovery process, and all these things you have to know. And those who have done a bachelor's degree or computer science, information technology or related field can apply. Understanding of the relational database management system, SQL principle, knowledge of MySQL database, proficiency of writing and optimizing SQL queries, and all these things we have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here quick apply, and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. And so in this video we have talked about 3 job for backend developer, software engineer or a SQL developer intern. So if you are looking for these job roles, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. And if you have any question then ask me in the comment section, I will help you. So thanks for watching. Till the goodbye and